Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is FLOWERS, flowers. So dear children, flowers are very beautiful creation of God. We use flowers for many purposes. For example, to decorate any auspicious place, to decorate temples, to give our relatives, to give our friends. If we celebrate any auspicious day, then we give to our friends also. And sometimes we use flowers to make medicines. We use flowers to extract oil also. We use flowers to make perfume. So there are many uses of the flowers. So dear students, now I would like to teach you one by one about some flowers. So the first is ROSE, rose. You can see this is a very beautiful flower and this is rose. A rose is a popularly known as the king of flowers. They come in different colors such as red, white, pink, yellow. A rose plant has a small and sharp thorn on its stem. The flowers look beautiful when blooms in the garden. Rose is the symbol of beauty, love and compassion. The petals of rose are soft and used in perfumes due to its fragrance. They are used for decoration in various ceremonies. More than 100 varieties of rose flowers are found. Now, you can see this is a bunch of roses. Very beautiful. Now, the next is LOTUS, lotus. Now, this is a picture of lotus. Lotus is regarded as the national flower of India. It symbolizes beauty, purity, and knowledge. It is an aquatic flower with round leaves floating on the water. It grows in freshwater lakes and the shallow ponds. It is a beautiful flower which has an appealing fragrance and color. It is considered sacred and is often used in temples for religious purposes. The flower is usually white or light pink in color. Its stem is very thick and has a glowing yellow in center. Now, this is tulip. TULIP, tulip. You can see in this picture, this is a picture of tulips are one of the most popular beautiful flowers in the world. They are about 150 species and 3000 more different species. They are about, so you can see this is very beautiful flower, tulip. Now, you can find the tulip in different colors like white, yellow, pink, red. So you can see in this picture, dear students. Now the next is HIBISCUS, hibiscus. Now you can see in this picture, this is a picture of hibiscus. It is also known as a rose mallow. Is a plant that belongs to mallow family. There are over 200 species of hibiscus and can be found in warm regions all over the world. They grow in well-drained soil in sunny areas. This plant is best known by beauty flowers. It is also used to make natural dyes. Hibiscus develops large trumpet-shaped flower without scent. Flower consists of 5 or more petals that can be white, yellow, orange, purple, pink, red or sometimes blue also in color. So you can see these all the pictures of hibiscus. Now the next is LILY, lily. You can see this is a picture of lily. Lily is a white flower that looks very beautiful. This flower is usually used as a symbol of peace. The fragrance of this flower is really beautiful. You can find lily in the whole world. There are different types of lilies like trumpet lilies and the tiger lilies. It is possible to grow them indoors or outdoors in both places. It looks very bright and beautiful. Normally, this flower blooms in the summer season only. So, in some reason, people eat this flower and it tastes pretty delicious. Sometimes it also used in medicines also. Now, the next is sun, flower, sunflower. You can see this is a picture of sunflower. Sunflower are used plant with large flower head or blooms. They are named for the way they turns their blooms from east to west to follow the sun. They were first grew in North and South America. They are giant among the flowers. The rough, hairy stem grows from 3 to 15 feet tall. The leaves are wide, rough. They have many uses. They are used to make yellow dye, used to feed animals. Its oil is also used in cooking and making the soaps and paints. Now, the next is marigold, marigold. You can see this is a picture of marigold. They are plants that bear brightly colored blooms. They are popular in flower garden. Their leaves have a strong scent that can drive away insects. There are about 30 different species of this flower. They are annual plants, which means they are usually red, orange or yellow. They can be found anywhere in India, especially. Now, the next is jasmine, jasmine. Now, this is a picture of jasmine. It's very beautiful flower. Jasmine usually grows in the form of 10 to 15 feet tall shrub. Jasmine develops green smooth stem that is slender and nearly square shaped on the cross section. So you can see this is a jasmine flower. Now the next is zinnia, zinnia. You can see this is a picture of zinnia. A zinnia is a plant that grows brightly colored flower with many petals. Zinnia is a type of daisy. Now, but it is found in bright pink, red, orange, yellow. They are easy to grow just about everywhere. In fact, they are extremely popular with gardeners because they are easily planted as seeds and it sustain very hot summer temperature also. So this is which flower? Zinnia. Now the next is daisy, daisy. You can see this is a picture of daisy. A daisy is a flower composed of white petals and a yellow color in center. Although the daisy can have a pink color, a daisy plant is used to make medicinal tea. People take wild daisy to make tea for cough, and it is symbol of innocence and purity. Now the next is petunia, petunia. Now this is a picture of petunia. Many people grow them in garden. Petunia are usually used in annual plant because they are die when the weather becomes cold. They grow best when they are planted in sun. Garden petunia are difficult to grow or maintain. The garden petunia is used for its delicate, colorful flowers. Now the next is, so dear students, you will study at home. These all flowers. Thank you.